Education is a right, we'll stand, we'll fight. 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 Education is a right, we'll fight.
Can you narrate what's happening?
Can I narrate?
Yeah. Where are we?
We are walking down D Street the wrong way, actually. We have just passed quorum, and we have voted to take a day of action against tuition fees at Concordia University.
Has this ever happened? A mob of students like illegally running down the street?
We'll fight! Education is a right! We'll fight! Education is a right! We'll stand! 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 We'll fight! Education is a right!
Just going for a little walk. Just to walk down the center of St. Catherine on, a Monday afternoon.
Stop the war on the poor! Make the rich pay! Stop the war on the poor! Make the rich pay! Stop the war on the poor! Make the rich pay! Stop the war on the poor! Make the rich pay! Stop the war! Solidarity! No! Solidarity! No! Solidarity! No! Solidarity! No! Solidarity! Solidarity! No! Solidarity! No! Solidarity!
And the police have arrived. This is when shit hits the fan.
Well, we want to be peaceful.
We want
to be peaceful. We're peaceful.
We'll never be defeated. The students united. We'll never be defeated. The students united. We'll never be defeated.
Students united.
Okay.
We'll never be defeated. The students united. 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 We'll never be defeated.
We're a mob. Take them out. Yo.
We won't pay someone else's severance pay. No, we won't pay someone else's severance pay. No, we won't pay someone else's severance pay. No, we won't pay for someone else's severance pay. No, we won't pay for someone else's severance pay. No, we won't pay for someone else's severance pay. No, we won't pay for someone else's severance pay. No, we won't pay for someone else's severance pay.
No, we won't pay someone else's severance pay.
We won't pay someone else's
Severance pay.
No, we won't pay
Someone else's severance pay.
No, we won't pay
ice and mighty cold.
I don't know what I've been told.
I don't know what I've been told.
Pushing ice and mighty cold. Pushing ice and mighty cold.